What's going on, my YouTube family? It's Chris here at Chris's RC Getaway, and I got the old Mojave out. We're up here behind the store at the local dirt bike track. Oh man, that sun is rough. And we're gonna tear it up, fellas and ladies. So here we go. Bam! There's that friggin' beast. I've been dying to get this old girl out. Still running the 4S pack, 9,000 milliamps, 100C discharge. Yes. The old Spectrum Firma. She's ready. She is ready to go. Ready to go, guys. It looks pretty dry down there, so hopefully it's as good as it looks. And now that I've tuned up my shocks, I got 60 weight in the back, 50 weight in the front. It definitely handles bumps a whole lot better. We're gonna find out here in just a minute. All right. Oh yeah, she's a beast. Oh man, I can hear something in my fan already. I should have stayed out of those stupid tire chips. Oh. Don't want to break off any. I don't want to break any of the blades off. There we go. Alright. You always want to take care of your fans, guys. They're pretty important. They can keep your motor from blowing up. They can keep your ESC from overheating and short-circuiting. Not that that can't still happen. But they are a huge help. That's for sure. That's for sure, guys. All right. Woo. You gotta love the Mojave, guys. This thing is a friggin' tank. Literally a tank. This thing will take almost anything you throw at it. It's taken all my crazy bash sessions so far, and most of them were in the winter. Look at that. Glides right through all that. The one thing I'm lacking on this truck is a fan on my motor. But I'm only running a 4S pack. It's not like I'm running 6S or anything like that. See if we can get some good air time off this rip right here. That was sweet. That's another thing I love about this friggin' truck. Oh! Is that it just 90% of the time it holds a good straight line. Once you set your steering trim, it holds that straight line pretty friggin' good. The air control isn't great though with these tires. If you hit a jump just wrong, it tends to want to nose right over. Woo! I held her that time. Oh, snap. Let's see if I can get her one more time. I like nailed the brake and just hit the throttle real quick. She seemed to stay from nosing over that time. Now hopefully this video is a little better, guys. Like I said in the last video, I'm dealing with using a wicked old phone right now because my iPhone 12 got ran over at the store, unfortunately, because I guess I dropped it and I didn't even know it. So that's a huge bummer. That's a huge, huge bummer. Oh, man, that was a noser and a half down there. Sweet. This is like the perfect distance on top of this tabletop here. Woo. This thing's a friggin' beast. I love this truck. Oh, man, what a tank. What a tank. Let's see what we got down here. Phew. Woo! Oh, I'm off the track. Oh, man, that could be a pretty good jump right there too. It could be. Ooh, most definitely. Oh man, I didn't want to get in the mud. I didn't want to get in the mud. Alright, we're back, guys. As you can hear it, I'm sure you can. I got the fan going. It just had a piece of wood stuck in there. Oh, it still sounds great. Oh, God. So friggin' nose heavy or something. The old man basket. The old man basket right there. I've been up in one of them quite a few times. Wind blowing, swaying back and forth. It's a little bit scary. I think we're gonna finish off the video right here at the old chip pile. See how she does. Oh. Oh, God. Woo. Hey, as long as it's putting a smile on your face, right, guys? That's all that matters. Oh. Oh, snap. Oh, man. I don't know how this thing is taking it. Taking the onslaught. Just taking it, guys. that's taken that kind of abuse. And the fan stopped again. Come on. Jeez. You gotta have your fans. I got my fan back going again, but I'm gonna have to take it apart and grease it all up. That's a plus. Look at them roots. It does handle so much better. Any amount of dust and dirt, it's just mangling my fan up. Oh, there's the old battery. There's the old LVC, guys. So let me know what you thought about that video, guys. Leave comments down below. This is Chris's RC Getaway. Like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Love you guys and gals. See ya.